In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 meme tokens on the Binance machine that has the potential to make you 100x gains. Okay, so these are the contract address. You are going to find them in the description box. So let's check out the first one right here. So the first one right here is LS Cat, Lightspeed Cat, and the current market cap as at the time that I am recording this video is $93,000. It's actually less than $100,000. So the market cap is super low. All right. So, and if the market cap eventually gets to 100 million, okay, automatically you are making 100x gains if you buy at 100k market cap or below 100k market cap. All right, so now we're not just going to, like I'm not just going to show you this meme tokens. I'm also gonna show you the chart, right? Then also, when you are buying meme coins or meme tokens, wherever, make sure you buy with what you can afford to risk. Okay, so as you can see from the chart, this is the monthly time frame. You can see that this has been pumping. All right, so and for so long now, for a very long period of time, the tokens on the Binance Smart Chain, majority of them has not been performing well. Unlike Solana, that like 2024, people made crazy money, right? So, like other blockchains have been performing very well. Okay, so but the Binance Smart Chain, most of the meme coins or tokens on it are like they just seems dead. Okay, but recently now, I think these tokens, these meme coins, they are they're starting to wake up. All right, they're starting to to move, to pump. Okay, and a typical example is WikiCat. All right, and this light speed card, okay, as you can see from the month time frame, is pumping. So, and the best time to buy an asset, a coin, a stock, or whatever, is when the price is low. So you buy low, you sell high. So now with this chart, we are going to see when you can actually buy. Okay, but as for me, okay, I'm going to recommend you use DCA, dollar cost averaging. Okay, so let's say you have $1,000 now. Okay, you can split that $1,000 into 5, so that would be $200. So after watching this video right now, you can use $200 to buy this meme coin. All right, then based on the chart, you start buying using DCA, dollar cost average. So this is the the daily time frame. Okay, so let's move to 4 hours time frame. All right, so as you can see, the price is actually consolidating right now. It's ranging right now. Okay, so the price has pumped and it's retraced, and after retracing, it started ranging, like going sideways, up and down, up and down. So now, as you can see, with the current situation, two things can actually happen. It's either the price breaks above or breaks down below. Like the price could skyrocket and shoot up, and it could actually still drop. Okay, so you don't actually have to guess. All you just have to do is to be prepared. Okay, don't anticipate but participate. All right, so now for the DCA, the dollar cost averaging, if the price drops, let's say to this level right here, you can buy with another $200, right? And if the price, drops to this level right here, okay, you can buy with another $200. If the price drops to this level right here, you buy with another $200. And if the price drops to this level here, you buy with what? Another $200. Okay, so by the time it gets, there's no way the price will get to this area or this level that the price won't shoot up again. So if you look at the chart very well, the price actually started pumping from this level, which actually shows that there is support, okay, at this level right here. Okay, so which simply means that if price gets to this area, there is a tendency, okay, that the price can reverse and start shooting up. Okay, and eventually if the price starts pumping, you are definitely going to make so much profit, so much gains. Okay, so you can also do your own research on it, okay, and make a take action based on your own decision. Don't just take my word for it. All right, so the next one right here that we are gonna be talking about is BNB Panther. So you can see the market cap for this is really low, 11k. Like, it's just too low. The market cap is just too low. So let's check the chart as well. All right, so buying these stocks when the price is still low is actually the best thing. Okay, so in order to avoid FOMO, it's better you start buying now. So now, as you can see from the monthly time frame, this thing has pumped, and currently now it's retracing. Okay, it's retracing after pumping. So this is the daily time frame now. You can see it's still retracing. So as I said earlier on, you use this year. If you have $1,000, use $200 to buy now. Okay, all right, so if the price drops further to this level, you buy under $200. If it drops further to this level, you buy under $200. Okay, but you don't really need, like, I'm just using $1,000 as an example. If what you have is $100, just use the same method, split it into 5. Okay, that between $20. All right, okay, so now let's check the other one. Okay, the third one right here is DURT, DURT, and as you can see, the current market cap is $145,000. Okay, so as you can see from the charts, click on the chart. Let's see from the chart. Let's start from the monthly. You can see this thing has pumped like crazy. Okay, and it's also retracing currently. So, and now you can see it forms like a kind of support right here. Okay, so it has pumped and now is consolidating at this area. All right, so let's check the 4 hours time frame. So it's still ranging. Okay, so don't forget, as I said earlier on, you buy using DCA, buy some now, and once it gets to a kind of level like this, you buy another $20 or $200. Okay, so now let's check the next one. The next one right here is BHT. Okay, so BHT, the current market cap is 421k. So I actually shared PHT on my WhatsApp group when the price was around $40,000, like the market cap, I mean to say. So when the market cap was around $40,000. So anyone who bought then, okay, I even shared it on my WhatsApp status. Anybody who bought then, now currently they've already made 10x, okay, on their investments or capital. So, and this has the potential to get to $2 million, $10 million. So you can easily make 100x with this. All right, let's check the chart as well. So as you can see, I even marked out some levels right here, okay, which I'm interested in, okay. If the price gets to this level, I'm definitely going to buy. Again, if it gets to another level, I'm buying again. And if it gets to this level, I'm buying again. So you can actually mark out this level yourself, and whenever the price gets to this level, you buy, okay. So why should we buy? Okay, these are meme coins that has been created for a very long period of time, and if they could actually survive, like survive and still be relevant, so they have great potential, okay, unlike something that was created yesterday, okay, or 1 week ago. All right, so these are created over a year ago. All right, so but that's not a guarantee that they will perform well, because meme coins majorly, it's all about the community and the hype, okay. So if you see a meme coin performing very well, it's all about the community and the what? And the hype. Once there is a strong community and there is a hype, the price will definitely pump, okay. So now all these meme coins that I'm sharing with you right now, their prices can skyrocket, can pump like crazy, okay, once there is a huge community, okay. And as I'm showing you this meme coin, as I'm telling you about this meme coins, please and please only invest what you can afford to risk. Don't go and sell your properties to buy these meme coins, right? Don't use important money like your house rent, your school fees to buy these meme coins. Buy with what you can afford to risk, all right? So, and the interesting thing is that you don't even need to buy these meme coins with huge amount of money, okay, with thousands of dollars. With $100, if your $100 100x, that's money. That's money, okay. So the next one right here is BTC Dragon, okay, which is the 51. Okay, as you can see right here on the screen, the current market cap is 154k. Okay, so let's check the chart as well. All right, so as you can see, the price too has pumped, and it has retraced and currently ranging. Okay, so as I said earlier on, you buy now with some cash, okay, and if the price drops a little bit, you buy more. All right, so you mark out the levels, your point of interest. As the price gets to those levels, you buy more. Okay, the reason why I say you should buy now is that maybe after you watching this video and you fail to buy now and the price start pumping, like you might be tempted to FOMO in. Okay, you might be tempted to buy once the price start pumping again, okay, because you don't want to miss out. So but when you buy now with some amount, and even if the price start pumping, you still be you'll be like, yes, I already bought some, so like you won't have any regret, okay. So that's just it. All right, so I really hope you find this video helpful, guys. If so, make sure you like, comment, and share. And without any further ado, okay, I'm going to end the video here. See you guys until next time. Peace out.